Have you ever spotted this exercise before and wondered what the heck is this for? Well, this is a dumbbell RDL, which stands for Romanian deadlift. Now, this is a different variation of maybe what you've seen like a conventional or a sumo deadlift. This one is gonna carry a lot more tension in your hamstrings and also your glutes. So with this one, seen done wrong, oftentimes where you round your spine too much going down, you do not want a scaredy cat spine when you're coming down, okay? You wanna make sure that you're in a neutral spine and you're keeping those dumbbells really close to your body. They should not trail out this way. You wanna imagine you're shaving your legs with the dumbbells. That's how you wanna keep them super close to your body so you keep control and good form. The other important key tip is squeeze your armpits. A lot of people don't realize that. If you squeeze your armpits, kind of keeps your scapula retracted down and back, keeps you in much better form and alignment. Keep your eyeballs down towards the floor. You should not be checking out your view in the mirror. You wanna be looking down towards the floor, keep your spine going in that direction. Don't be afraid to load up heavy. Once you master the form, these are really great hamstring and glute builders, so increase your weights as you get stronger. Try this out, save this video, and let me know in the comments how it goes.